Your devices in Miradore should all be assigned to users to enable certain functionality, such as application deployment from the managed Google Play Store or user-based group assignment using tags. There are three main ways to create users. 1. Manually, via the green Add button. 2. Importing users from a CSV file. Or 3. By importing users from Active Directory. If you are interested in exploring options to use our API, please contact our team. You can also find out more information about user import via Active Directory from the QR code below. To add a new user manually, click on the Add button. This email address is used as a unique identifier for the user, but note that it does not have to be a real existing email address. You can add different kinds of account information to each user, such as email account data. Double-click on a user, select Mail for Exchange accounts, enter the email account data, and click the Save button. To import a larger number of users at once, click on Import, and then select Import from CSV. Keep in mind, you can add device identifiers to your CSV and import those along with your users. Select Users, select the file with the data you wish to import, choose a delimiter, tick the box if your file contains a header row, and click on the Import button. You have successfully imported new Miradore users.